everyone. So had a busy morning because I have to take my car to the service stations, and on the way back home I hit the gym. I haven't been to the gym for a while since I'm back from Vietnam, so I really try to get back on track with it. But anyway, I got home and just ate a little bit because I got really hungry, but just wanted to quickly jump on here to show you guys what I got on the weekend, because you know we went out and I did a little bit of shopping. So let me show you what I got. So first thing, I got this knit top, like it's like in green say colors. Like it looked like this on, really simple, it's cute, and how I like the detail in the front and at the back, they're just straight. Like the other one that I'm really excited is these cargo pants. They have two pockets, one on the bottom and one on the top from Glasson, and I got it in size 8 because I kind of want it a bit loose waist down here instead of it really tight. The problem with Glasson pant that every time I bought it because it's really long, so I'm gonna try to alter it myself. Another one I got is this bag. I want to get like some kind of like this kind of bag, and it's a little bit big but not really big, and it's kind of cute because so that I can carry my camera with me everywhere I go. Another one is I just got this new sunscreen, and I heard really good reviews about it. I love sunscreen. I wear them every day. I reapply them twice a day. It's like a Korean brand sunscreen, and I heard a lot of really good reviews, so I'm gonna try it and really excited. So It's lunchtime and I'm gonna make some food. I already have the rice cooked ready and the chicken marinated, so I'm gonna quickly cook the chicken and eat them with rice because in another hour I gotta get ready to work. Let me show you this marination thing that I bought from an Asian market, and I use them to marinate all the my meat like chicken and pork. So this is what it looked like. And I know it say pork bulgogi marinade, but I use them for chicken as well, and it does turn out really great. You can just fry them with garlic or plain. Today I'm gonna add a little bit of carrots and red onion just for a little bit of texture.
Hit it softly, mate.